You also need to protect yourself and your family from carbon monoxide poisoning. It kills more than 150 people every year. The main causes are heating equipment and portable generators. So here's what you can do. Number one, make sure you have working carbon monoxide detectors in your home. Put one in a central spot outside each bedroom and one on every floor. Number two, have all your heating systems inspected every year. Furnaces, boilers, a fireplace if you have one, including the chimney flues and vents. And number three, know the signs of carbon monoxide poisoning. If for whatever reason the detector does not work, those can include headache, weakness, dizziness, nausea, confusion, and blurred vision.